Hey guys, I am back. Yes, it's actually me. I didn't die. I'm so excited to be back, guys. I'm so sorry I went on this super long hiatus. I didn't even mean to be gone that long. I probably have been gone for almost 2 years off of YouTube. But I'm back. I'm not going to get into the details of why I was gone. I just want to move forward and get my channel back up and going. I'm so excited, like I said, to start filming videos for you guys again. This is the look that I came up with, and if you want to know how I got this look, just keep on watching. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to be doing a full face. I know I don't normally do this on my channel, but if this is something that you guys want to see, please let me know in the comments section below. So today I'm just using my Fenty Pro Filter foundation in the shade 385 and just applying this all over my face. I love the finish of this foundation. It gives you a matte finish and it definitely helps to cover up the hyperpigmentation that I have on my chin. One thing I did find about this foundation is that it oxidized, so I ended up going in with the shade 370 around the center of my face, which worked out perfectly for me. And please bear with me, guys. I normally wear contacts, but I ran out, so I was trying to film this video and I obviously had to take my glasses off, so if I look angry or if I look like I'm straining to see something, it's because I was really struggling to see myself in my camera, to see if I was in focus and what I was doing. Yeah, the struggle. So now I'm going to conceal my dark circles and highlight with the new Fenty Pro Filter Concealer. I'm using the shade 370. So to set the areas that I just highlighted, I'm using the new Fenty Pro Filter Setting Powder in the shade Honey. I also mix this with my Dermablend Loose Powder in the shade Cool Beige just to get a more bright under eye highlight. And to bring back some warmth to my face, I'm using my NARS bronzer in the shade Casino. For my highlight today, I'm going to be using this palette from Lancome that I've been loving so much lately. I'm just using the two colors that are on the end and applying that on the highest points of my cheekbones and my nose. So moving on to eyes, I'm going to be using Makeup Geek's Cocoa Bear eyeshadow as my transition color. So now going into my Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, I'm going to be taking that brown shade. It's a little bit darker than the shade that I use as my transition color, and I'm just concentrating this color a little bit lower than my crease and on my outer V area. Next, I'm going to take this dark brown shade and add this into my outer V, and I'm going to bring it about halfway on my mobile lid. So the next shade I'm going to be taking is this nude beige eyeshadow, and this is from the Smoky Obsessions palette from Huda Beauty. I'm just going to be applying this on the inner half of my eyelid. So I wanted to add a little bit of glitter to this look, and I'm using the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow in the shade Smoldering Satin. Now I'm going to add a black liner to my waterline, and I'm also going to tightline with it, and I'm using the Lancome Kohl eyeliner in black. And for my lower lash line, I'm just going to use the same brown shades that I used in my crease and on my outer V. And as I get closer to the lash line, I'm going to use the darker browns. So now I'm just going to apply my favorite mascara before I pop on some lashes. And these are the lashes that I'm going to be using, guys. I got these from my girl Infinite Artistry. Thank you so much. I absolutely love them. For eyebrows, I'm using my Smashbox eyebrow pencil in dark brown, and I like to fill in my brows as natural as possible, so I rarely clean it up with concealer. So I'm just gonna fill it in and leave it at that. Now I'm just lining my lips with a brown lip liner, and this one is from LA Colors. I don't remember the exact name of it because I'm like down to the end. I don't normally use this lip liner. My favorite go-to is MAC Chestnut, and I lost my lip liner. I have no idea where it went, but I have to go and get a new one. I'm devastated because I still had a lot left on it. And now I'm just going to fill in my lips using Smashbox liquid lipstick in the color Gotta Light. And this is like a perfect nude lip combo. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. And as always, go ahead and leave your comments in the comment section below telling me what videos you want to see from me next. I love you guys so much. Thank you for always being here and supporting me, and I'll see you in my next video.